Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Our mission at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos and we teach you how to fix your car for free. Let's go ahead and start on it now. If you guys have a Chevy Cruze, guys, and you have engine light on and code P0107, stay with us, guys. We'll explain what needs to be done to fix that. We will explain how we're going to test the system, diagnose the system and all that stuff. Quick introduction, guys. We will have, guys, more than 200 videos on Chevy Cruze and every car we get at the shop. You probably already know that. Why? Because our mission is to save you as much money as we can. So please take advantage of the videos, guys. Subscribe to our channel, like the video. If you have a specific problem that we do not have video about, leave a comment below and we'll try to make a video for your problem, guys. So this is the car that we have. It's a 2015 Chevy Cruze. It doesn't matter if you have a 1.8, 1.4, 1.6 engine, guys. If you get that code, procedure probably will be about the same for all of them. Now the parts may be a little bit different, but if you want to see where we buy all our parts from, we have the link in the description of the video below. Check it out. That's where you can find where we get our scanner from too as well. Now you will notice that the car will be running fine. Very rarely you will notice any symptoms. Okay, you may notice a little bit of increased fuel consumption. This is because due to the fact that your map sensor is not working, guys, and that affects the way the engine runs, but most of you will not even notice that. So we're going to connect our computer to the OBD port right there, to the connector. I'm going to go inside now, okay, and I'll turn the ignition on. Your engine light will be on, of course. So ignition is on, guys. Okay, let me even turn the light off so you can see it yourself. You can see how the engine light is on. Next, guys, okay, we have the scanner here. We have the link in the description of the video below. This is definitely a scanner that I would recommend. You can do so much with that scanner, guys. Okay, on not just Chevy Cruze, on most vehicles too. You can read codes from the engine computers, airbag computer, traction control computer and ABS computer, and you have so many other functions. One of them is very important: steering angle assist and TPMS reset. So quite a few things, guys, that are very helpful. I'll go under OBD. We're going to connect now to the engine computer and we'll see, okay, what do we have there, what code we have and all that stuff. It says codes found 1. We click OK. Now we have 3 different sections of your engine computer that you can access. I'll recommend just to check each one of them separately because you may have codes in each one of them. It really depends. We're going to click read codes and we'll go under stored codes. Okay, and we have P0107 Manifold Absolute Pressure Barometric Pressure Circuit Low, and pending codes, guys. Check pending codes as well. Nothing there, the same thing. So if I go to live data now, live data, okay, it's going to take just a little bit of time to load, but we'll try to see if we can read that map sensor and see if it's showing anything or if it just shorted out. It really depends, guys. Sometimes they do go bad, sometimes it's just a loose connection. You need to check that. We'll show you in a second, but let me just connect to the live data and see if we can access that map sensor. Hopefully we can. So if we scroll to the next page, okay, map sensor, that's the pressure sensor right there. It's in kPa unit, and right now it's showing 0, right? So what I'm going to do, I'll start the car now. Car is started, you can see, and it's running. And that map sensor, guys, it just shows 0 with the car running. RPMs, I'll change the RPMs, check it out now. And that map sensor doesn't show anything. So we'll go ahead and show you guys what you need to replace now in order to fix that code. So this is the 1.8 engine, but if you have the 1.4, the procedure is about the same, or the 1.6, guys. Not very different. You have the diesel engine as well. Now, looking at the engine, you need to locate your intake manifold. Okay, the turbo engines will have 2 map sensors. One will be map T, that will be the turbo pressure. One will be on the intake. This is your intake, and this right here, guys, this is your map sensor. Okay, that guy. This is your map sensor. It actually reads the pressure inside the intake manifold. So check your connection, reconnect it if you have to, guys. Make sure everything's tight, not loose. Check the gain, and if that doesn't take care of it, there is one bolt. We have the video on the channel how to remove and replace it. We actually have the link in the description of the video below, and you can see where we bought ours from. Now, the purpose of this video, guys, is just to show you if that will fix the problem. We will go ahead and replace ours and we'll continue. So the sensor has been replaced, guys. I'm going inside now. Okay, and let me go ahead. I will turn ignition on. Okay, ignition is on. We'll go back because we lost communication. We're going to click erase codes. Okay, erase them. Click live data. Let's wait for it to load one more time. Okay, while it's loading, I'm going to start the car. Okay, and let's see. Let's see if the engine light is on now. And so far, no, guys. Nothing so far. So, what we'll do. Okay, I'm just waiting for the live data to load and click complete list. We're going to go to the second page, find the map sensor, and let's see. Okay, check it out now how it changes. Those are the RPMs, that's the map. Check it out now. So you can see now that's a responsive map, guys. So hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you guys doing that repair. Thank you for watching. Please. Hopefully, guys, the video was helpful and we were able to save you money. We guys have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out. We have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.